Samsung Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus said to use secondary camera for recording 8K videos, applying zoom effect. Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus are rumored to use the telephoto camera to capture 8K videos. The fresh rumor comes just days after the camera specifications of the Galaxy S20 leaked online. While the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra in the family is believed to come with a prism setup to enable optical zoom, the Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus are said to lack the periscope-shaped system and enable zoom by cropping images captured using the standard camera setup. The regular Galaxy S20 is also rumored to have to lack the time-of-flight (ToF) sensor that would be available on the Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. A tipster who goes by the pseudonym Ice Universe on Twitter has claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus both will use the 64-megapixel telephoto shooter to record 8K videos. This suggests that the phones would not record 8K videos using the primary rear camera sensor that may be unlike the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra that would record high-quality video clips using the primary sensor only. The tipster has also mentioned the model number of the sensor supporting telephoto that would be S5KGW2. This is the same model number that we saw in a rumor claiming the camera specifications of the Galaxy S20 family earlier this week. The leaked camera specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus suggested that both models would come with a 12-megapixel Sony IMX555 primary sensor. This isn't likely to capture 8K videos that technically have a resolution equivalent to 33.2 megapixels. It thus makes for Samsung to use the secondary, 64-megapixel telephoto shooter for recording 8K video clips. In addition to 8K videos, the telephoto shooter could be used for providing a zoom effect simply by cropping 64-megapixel images to a smaller resolution. This might be useful in some cases as the Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus aren't likely to have a periscope setup for particularly enabling optical zoom. The Galaxy S20 Ultra, on the other hand, is rumored to have a prism lens based on a periscope-like structure to enable at least 5x optical zoom. Some recent rumors have also indicated that the Galaxy S20 Ultra may support overall 100x zoom. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.